Hey guys, Lucky here, and today I want to show you guys how I move UST from Osmo back to Terra Station, since I got a couple questions around that. So I have 5 UST in here. I go to Assets, and on Assets you go to Withdraw, and on Withdrawal you just hit the max amount that you want. So I'll move my $5 back. So it's going from my Osmo wallet to my Terra. So make sure you check out my video on how I set my Kepler wallet up, which is the same mnemonic seed phrase that I got for my Terra Station wallet. So it's connected directly. Hit withdraw. I'm going to approve it. Once I approve this, that $5 will just move right on over to back to my Terra Station wallet. Simple as that. Thanks, guys.